I'm actually gonna do it this way. Yeah.
So this is our virtual glove. You can see the glove here on the left, and you can see that as the fingers in the glove are flexed, the fingers in our virtual hand also move. The hand can be raised or lowered or moved around our environment using the keyboard. And here we've created a simulation of an arcade machine called the Claw. And the goal is just to grab the balls and drop them into a slot so that you can score points. You can see that we've lowered the hand, and now we're trying to grab a ball with the fingers and drop it in the slot, which is on the other side of our arcade machine. And the ground here is sloped, so it's kind of, there's some level of difficulty, but we just scored our first point. Yay!